Hi guys, this is me, Juan, and I'm drawing ToeJam from Rising Monsters Daravaya, baby! Do, 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 do. Let's start! Now I'm drawing the body first. The body. Yes. Now the eyes. The eyes. Now the shading. Then the mouth. Yes, the mouth. And then color the pupils if you want. Yeah. Now I'm drawing the little feet. Toes. Yeah. Little nails. And then that texture on the eyes. Yes. On the eyes. On that in. Yeah. Now I'm just adding some texture. Yes, texture. Now I'm gonna add some shine to make it realistic. Then I'm doing some stuff. Then I'm chasing it with. Oh yeah, I forgot some textures. Now I'm just chasing it, and that's all you do. But I'm gonna, yeah. Wait, it's ran out of ink. Are you serious? Yeah, now I'm doing it again on the other eye. Yeah, on the other eye. Okay, and then I'm just chasing everything. Now I'm chasing the little toes, and then you can erase the excess that you did not chase. Then you can color it in with blue. I don't know what kind of blue is that called. Oh yeah. I was using teal, aqua teal. Now I'm using some like peach color, so that it looks like that. Then I'm drawing in and coloring in the eyes. Yeah, the eyes. Yeah, I don't know if it's like that. Now coloring the body. Yeah, now I'm coloring using teal. Using teal. Yeah. Now I'm using pink for the mouth again. And I'm still coloring with the peach color. Then some blue, then some darker blue. Then, yeah, some darker blue. More darker blue. Now, I'm realistic. That's what you call. Yes, I'm coloring. I'm not coloring there, guys, because I want to make it realistic. And I'm coloring in the shine. Oh, God. Oh, my head. Yeah, and now you add your signature. But what? Okay, I forgot. Trace that. Yeah. What? Like I was saying, you can do that if you want to. Okay, now I'm chasing that stuff. Yeah, making it more shapy. Yeah, that's what you want to do. And then, oh yes. What? Oh, wait, what? ToeJam. 2 M's. And then a dot at the end. Do. Yeah. Baby ToeJam. Oh, no, I'm wrong. Why? Why am I wrong? Yeah. Baby. ToeJam or baby. Bye guys, this is the end of this video. Well, this is the end of the video, but I still have more drawings to do, so. And thanks you for drawing ToeJammer with me. And, well, see you in the next one. Snip-blaroo. I don't, snipperoo.